Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by signing into the exact Google account tied to your AdSense publisher ID so you see the correct profile. Once logged in, go straight to Payments, then Manage Settings to expose name, address, and postal code fields. This is where Google pulls payout mailers and verification data. Make sure you have a current government ID, a utility bill with matching address, and any PIN mailer nearby. Those items let you compare what Google has versus what you expect and start corrections immediately. Next, compare the name and address shown in AdSense to the Google Payments profile, because discrepancies cause PIN or payment failures. Once done, inspect the postal code format, zip for US, postcode formats for UK/Canada or local formatting, and adjust spacing or characters to match postal standards. If you need to change details, edit the payment profile fields, or start the identity verification flow to upload documents. This corrects records on Google's side and speeds PIN reissuance or payment processing. Finally, save any updates and request a new PIN if your address changed. Expect a 2-4-week delivery window depending on country. Make sure payments are not held due to an unresolved name mismatch. Upload clear identity documents and supporting address proofs so Google can accept the change. If mail never arrives or verification stalls, escalate via the AdSense Help Center or contact support for case. One key troubleshooting tip: recheck postal formatting and avoid P.O. box versus street address mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.